Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
How can we women raise their children in Krishna consciousness? This seems to be an indirect service for Krishna. Should they try to serve him more directly by, maybe cooking in the temple or painting or something like this more directly, or is raising children and just having the household functions, is that enough service? Is there enough service?
Yeah, the thing is, we should be Krishna conscious. Just like electrification. Touching electricity by one wire, another joining another wire. If the touch is there, factual, then the electricity is everywhere. Similarly, if our Krishna consciousness is lightly connected, then there is no question of direct or indirect. Because absolute world, there is no difference. As soon as it is touched with the direct connection, that is called disciplic succession. Because the connection is coming down one after another. So if we touch here the spiritual master who is connected by the same way, then the electric connection is there. There is no question of direct or indirect. Evang parampara praptam imang rajasaya vidu. Simply we have to see whether the connection is disconnected. If the connection is that tight, then the electricity will come without fail. So in our conditioned stage, there will be so many doubts, so many implications, but the same thing as I gave you example, that don't be very much hasty to receive the result immediately. Simply we have to follow. We have to follow tat karma pravartana. This is advised by Rupa Goswami. 6 things we have to take particular care, and 6 things we have to avoid in order to be perfect in Krishna consciousness. So, Utsahat, Dhvajyat, Nishchayat. The first principle is one must be very enthusiastic. He must believe that Krishna has said that Nami Bhakta Pranassati. My devotee will never be vanquished. So, let me become Krishna's devotee, sincere. I must become Krishna's devotee, sincere. This is called enthusiasm. Then, Dhaijya. I have become Krishna's devotee, but still I am not feeling happy. How is that? So therefore you have to become patient. The enthusiasm must be there, you must be patient also. And Nishchaya. Nishchaya means you must be confident. Krishna has said that his devotee will never be vanquished, so surely I shall not be vanquished, even though I don't feel now. Let me do my duty. Utsahat, Dhaijya, Nishcha, tat karma pravartanat. But you have to do your duties as they are prescribed. Sato vritte, there should be no duplicity. Or sato vritte means plain dealing, straight dealing. Sato vritte and sadhu sangha. and in the company of devotees. So one must be enthusiastic, one must be patient, one must be confident, one must execute the duties, one must associate with devotees, and one must be very honest in dealing. 6 things. If these 6 things are there, sure success.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,